Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. Today is Monday, August 24th, 2009, and I have a few stocks to talk to you about today. The very first stock out the gate is NVAX, that's Novavax Incorporated, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look at this chart in the volume area, you will notice that the stock basically ran up today and finished on the upside with volume above the average daily at 15.7 million, and the average daily volume for the stock is basically 6.27 million. And what we're looking for is basically a price break above the pivot point between $5.30 to $5.35 in order to take this stock a lot higher. The stock ended the day with its last price at $5.21, up 45 cents or 9.45% to the upside. So please keep stock symbol NVAX, that's Novavax Incorporated, on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside on Tuesday. The next stock on the list for the day is stock symbol FEED, that's Ag Feed Industries Incorporated, which also trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a very close look at this chart, you will notice that the stock is basically broke out today with heavier than average volume to the upside, but the stock basically needs to break above this pivot point right here between $5.60 to $5.65 in order to move higher. But also we need heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock. And if you look in the volume area, you'll notice that today we had heavier than average volume of 3.47 million, and the average daily volume on the stock is basically 1.79 million. Ag Feed ended the day trading at $5.42, up 52 cents or 10.61% to the upside. The next stock on the list for the day is stock symbol FRNTQ. That's Frontier Airlines Holdings, which trades on the pink sheets. And if you have a close look in the volume area, today the stock did end the day with lighter than average volume coming into the price of the stock of 2.7 million. But what we're looking for is heavier than average volume above 2.9 million in order to lift this stock a lot higher. But also, if you have a look at the pivot point, we need to break above the pivot point between 15 cents to 17 cents as well. And the stock did end the day trading at about 13 cents, up 6 cents or 91.18% on the upside. The next stock to watch for a possible price move to the upside for tomorrow is stock symbol RINO, that's Rhino International Corp, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look at this chart in the volume area, the stock did end the day with lighter than average volume of 468,000, and the average daily volume is 519,000. So we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock, as well as a break of the pivot point right here between $15.05 to $15.10. RINO, Rhino International Corp, ended the day today trading at $14.18, up $1.48 or 11.65%. Last stock on the list for the day is stock symbol ACAD, that's Acadia Pharmaceuticals, which also trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look in the volume area, you will notice that the stock did end the day with heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock of 3.7 million, and the average daily volume for Acadia Pharmaceuticals is 2.2 million. And what we're looking for is basically a price break above the pivot point right here between $6.50 to $6.55 in order to lift the stock a lot higher. Acadia Pharmaceuticals ended the day trading at $6.23, up 59 cents or 10.46% on the upside. So please keep Acadia Pharmaceuticals as well as the other stocks that I mentioned on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside for Tuesday. Thank you again for listening to another WizzWatch. Have a great day and happy trading.